My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
Do you know whether voicemail drops and how voicemail drops for this could potentially work? Do you have a workflow for that? How can you actually do mass voicemail drops, right?
Totally. Let me show you real quick.
And are there also any limits connected to it? Like, do you have like a limit of, I don't know, 100, 150 before you burn your number or something like that?
Yeah, eventually, yeah, you don't want to send too many. I wouldn't send more than like 500 per day, probably. Um, that's a good limit to like, that's similar limit for text messages too. You don't want to send a ton of text messages every day. Same with voicemail drops because you could get your number flagged. But anyway, this is what the automation looks like for voicemail drops. Voicemail drops, we trigger them with a tag. So we use a, voicemail drop tag and we place that tag on, 500 of our leads at once. And then we put them in drip mode. So we tag 500 people, but we don't necessarily want to send 500 voicemail drops at once. We can drip them in
Got it.
batch sizes of like 250 every hour. So it'll send 250 now and then 250 the next hour, just so it's not sending them all at once. You could even reduce this and do like, send 100 of them every 1 hour. So it'll send them over a 5 hour period. Anytime you can do in smaller quantities, the better. But still, hit your 500 within the day. And so that's how you do that. Use that drip mode step. And then at the bottom, we have our voicemail drop and we've just uploaded our, whatever, our voicemail recording here. And then to trigger this, you might already know how to do this, but you'll just go to your contacts and then you'll select, 500 of them or whatever. And then you'll add that, voicemail drop tag to all of them. And anyway, that's how you trigger it. And then it has the drip mode, so it'll drip them out slowly. And that's it. I mean, that's pretty much the whole voicemail drop automation right there.
Okay, got it.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.